Hello. The last time that we discussed is about the addition of real numbers. For today, we are going to identify the subtraction of real numbers. Okay? It's very important that we understand the addition of real numbers because we will be using the rules for the addition of real numbers when we are dealing with the subtraction of real numbers. Okay? So what is the process of subtraction of real numbers? Simply, if you have an example which is positive 8 um, minus positive 4, or this one is direct. Okay? So, for example, you have positive 8 and positive 4. Both are positive. You follow the rules, the subtraction rule of whole number. What is that rule ng subtraction for the whole numbers? You will subtract them directly. They are both positive. You will 8 minus 4. Of course, the answer for this one is positive 4. Okay? But if we are going to subtract anything with a negative integer, we will follow a certain rule. Okay? What is that rule? How will we subtract an integer? So, the rules that we need to identify or we need to follow, okay, rules. First rule, change the plus sign, which is this is the plus sign, to a minus sign. Rather, change the minus sign to plus sign. Okay? Okay, sorry for that one. Okay. So you will change the minus sign to plus sign. The second is change the sign of the subtrahend. Okay? In what way? If positive to negative, if negative to positive. Then follow the addition rule of real numbers. Okay? What is subtrahend? Okay? Subtrahend is the second number. For example, here we are going to write 8 minus 4. This is what you call the subtrahend. We will change the sign. If this is positive, definitely we're going to change it to a negative sign. And if it's a negative, we are going to change it to a positive sign. Then we will follow the addition rule. So what are the examples for us to understand the subtraction of real numbers? Okay, so let's go for the example. So first example is positive 8 minus positive negative 14. What will we do? The first step that we are going to change is this minus sign will change into a positive, or the minus sign will be moved or changed to a plus sign. Then the negative sign will be a positive sign. So you will follow the addition rule, which is positive 8 plus positive 14 will result to positive 22. Another example, if it's negative 4 minus positive 14, what is the answer? Again, we will change the minus sign to a plus sign, and this positive sign will change to a negative sign. So negative 4 plus negative 14, both of them are negative. You'll follow the addition rule, which is we add them and use the sign. That is negative 18. Another one, if it's positive 8 minus, let's have another example, negative 4 minus negative 16. What will we use? Okay, what will we do for this one? This minus sign will become a plus sign, and this negative sign will become a positive sign. Then we follow the addition rule, which have this both are different sign. The first one is, or the minuend is in a negative sign and the subtrahend is in a positive sign. So what will we do? We subtract. 16 minus 4 is 12, and 16 is using already the positive sign and the 4 is using the negative sign. We will use the positive as the answer. Okay, so again, so when we are subtracting the real numbers, of course, we need to follow the following rules. First one, we change the minus sign to a plus sign, then change the sign of the subtrahend. If it's positive, we'll do it to a negative. If it's negative, we'll change it to positive. Then, the last step, we follow the addition rules of real numbers. Okay? So if you have other questions about this video, please let me know. And I'm going to discuss the next topic on the next video, which is about the multiplication and the division of real numbers. Okay, bye. Thank you.